In the realm of industrial automation, pneumatic valves are the unsung heroes, playing a pivotal role in controlling the flow of air to actuators, ensuring precise movement, and maintaining the overall efficiency of systems. When we talk about leading innovations in this space, SMC stands out with its advanced solutions that have become indispensable across industries such as manufacturing, automotive, packaging, and even medical technology. As one of SMC's elite distributors, Proax is dedicated to delivering top-tier pneumatic solutions that not only meet but exceed industry standards. Today, let's explore the 5-ports directional control valves and reduced wiring fieldbus system for them, and why SMC's offerings are the go-to choice for so many industries. Directional control valves are crucial in managing the flow of air within pneumatic systems. The valves are responsible for directing the airflow to various parts of the system such as actuators, allowing for the precise control needed in automated processes. SMC offers a wide range of solenoid valves in 5-port configurations such as 5x2 single, 5x2 double, 5x3 closed center, open center and pressure center, and 2x3x2, also known as 4-position dual 3-port valves with no NC combinations. These directional control valves are designed with low power consumption, high flow carrying capacity, and rapid response times, making them ideal for industries that demand high reliability and efficiency. For more information, visit our website at proax.ca to discover the full range of SMC valves, or contact us directly to discuss your specific or custom pneumatic needs. We are ready to serve you locally, ensuring you get the support and solutions you need exactly when you need them. Let Proax help you take your automation systems to the next level.